Bless up, my people. Just let you know that look, the subject where I speak on is not directed to everybody. I mean, as to say, everybody is guilty if I speak on a certain subject. It's directed at, alright, put it the way. Yeah. Remember, old time people used to say, you fling rock stone in a hog pen, the one we holler him get licked. Alright? Okay. That's everybody, who not understand how somebody and make somebody explain that to you. But so may I deal with it. Alright? Anyway, in this video today, may I touch upon the whole pastor and church thing. Now, you have some people where you say a dedicated church goer, refer to themselves as Christian. There's nothing wrong with that. What I have the problem with is the one them where I put all them faith and them trust in the pastor. The pastor is a man. Him a no God. Him a preach the word of God. Right? So you as a churchgoer supposed to listen and make up your mind for yourself what this man is saying as far as the word of God is concerned. You don't have to agree 100% with everything what him has said. That's a him point of view of how him say it mean in the Bible. Right? Him a kind of like do him own, what you would say, him own interpretation of the Bible. You understand? Him a break it down in a theme understanding of it. Not necessarily meaning that are the fact 100% way how it really go. So may I say? So you can't like dwell upon everything a pastor say. Like say this man here, the dead when the Bible write and him know everything where I go on and I saw it go for real in a real life. No. Him a give him opinion, him feeling. So may I say? So you have to realize that and make your own decision for yourself with certain things. Not everything the pastor say, that's how it go. Alright? Okay, another thing. Them have some pastor where some them have some very good pastor out there, but them have some pastor where they are just for the money. You understand? Them watch, you don't call them a scammer basically, because watch me. Them watch, them a watch the conversation, the congregation, and them a say what the congregation need and want. So me I say, and them a feed with that, cause them a watch the needs and wants, right? And them a take care of that. But while them a take care of that, them a suck out the money out of the same way. You know see me? Him in it for himself. Him not really in it for you. Him a butter up to get to a certain place. Wanna say, yeah man, the pastor you good, and my pastor this. But in a real life, all him want is the money. A real pastor, a true pastor, is a pastor where him a look out for the community. Him a look out for the less fortunate people them in the community. Him a do what him can do for them people there. You understand? Him a try better the community. Him not in it for destroy the community or for build for himself. Him a try uplift the community. I'm a go on a story where I used to work at a mechanic shop. And a pastor brother used to bring him car come there all the time. And not the whole car still, but the car run good. Car in a good condition. Them car come tune it up when it need tune up and rare. And I tell you say, him said to me say, that some of them church brother and sister them want him to buy a new car, cause they don't feel say for them pastor should I drive a little beat up car like that. Him supposed to drive something nicer than that. And him say no. Him say him a do the work of the people. You understand? And him say from the car can get him to point A, from point A to point B. Right? And I left him on the road. Him not have no problem with the car. But them, I insist. You know, them even come to me. And I say to me, say, tell him say the car you done, a time for a new one. You know? And that's when the man done give me a heads up already and I tell me where them are going with. So, sometimes, I not even the pastor. Are the church people them depend this materialistic thing. Like your pastor supposed to, you know, dress certain way and drive a certain car and live a certain way. And I saw it go. Yo, when I wake up and I saw it go. You understand? The pastor supposed to do there, yes, to teach the word of God. And the church supposed to do there for help the less fortunate people. And if nobody get rich, and if nobody are living in a big house, and now put it away here. If the pastor is a man who have his own business, his own job, his own where and him want buy him house and where, nothing wrong with that. Him earn him money and him can do what he want to do with it. You see what I say? But the money from the church, yeah, part of it go to the pastor. Me not say that. But not for build no big mansion and drive no big fancy car and, you know? No, you don't get it wrong. You don't get it twisted. You don't need to wake up. Alright? You don't need to know what church is really about. What religion is really about. Religion enough for no man floss and, you know, show off and dress up and all of them rare things. No. I have to help bring people them in need. Help bring them up. You see what I say? Help stand up your brother and your sister when need the help. You see? So somehow no have it wrong. Somehow no have it twisted. I don't know want to reach this, but that is something where you no need to work on and get that fixed. You see? I'm say uno because me not deal with them kind of church there. Me not deal with them something there. You understand? Them big old fancy church and preacher dress up in a fancy clothes and, you know, fancy this and fancy that. And the next thing too, sometime you see preacher have 2-3 pitney in a church. What really are going on there, sir? Eh? Ladies, woman, the preacher and one man, one regular man, I preach the word from a book where him read. The same book where you can read. The only difference is him can't explain it in a way where you understand it and break it down in a way where you can understand. That's the only difference. That is the only difference. You see what I say? Him study enough to explain them things to you. You know, so you not get caught up in this thing like this man you're higher than everybody and hey, no! He's a man just like you. Or another man where you know. So I say, he's just another man. He man have nothing different more than say him have the title preacher or pastor or whatever in front of him name. So no need to check on yourself. Get it together. May I tell you. Yes, people. Please excuse the quality of the sound. Because I drive, you know, at the moment while I make this recording here. So just to make you know, you know, and understand, say, and I try beat up on nobody, but I want to give to you raw so you understand where I come from with this, you know? I want to give to you raw. I don't want to pretty up nothing. You know what I mean? I want to really understand my point of view. Like me say, you know, my channel name as so me see it. You see me I say? So I saw me see it and I saw me I give it to you. Raw. You understand? So nobody feel like say me no like woman or me no like preacher or no. This is directed at certain people where the topic me I talk upon, you know, will be about or will have, you know, it touch them people there. It's about them kind of people there, when of them kind of situation there. You see what I say? It's not at everybody. You see what I say? So basically when we want, you know, whoever hear this, whoever in that situation, you know, together is that pastor is man. Pastor is a man, a man of God. Do not put your 100% in a no man. You understand? Always leave room in your mind, the back of your mind, for say, give it a second thought. You understand? Don't make nobody, pastor or anybody else, you know, put your faith in a nobody, no 100%. You always have to have your own thought for say, if me I go do this or me not go do this. So me I say, always. That's a one thing when me tell myself or me learn. You understand? Me learn. Everybody a human, everybody make mistake. So you can't think say everybody perfect. You go find some people where better than other, as far as you can trust them more than you can trust others. Some people you can trust, some people you can't trust. But I just you have to watch and see how certain people move. You understand? Pay attention to them. You know, like me say, do not put no 100% trust in a nobody. Simple as that. Nobody. Always have to think for yourself at times. So me I say, always have to think for yourself. So as far as things go, people, I just hope me no hear no more, you know, no more thing like this. You know, I pray me no hear nothing more like this I come out of Jamaica. You understand? And the another bad thing is, me say them have GoFundMe set up for this pastor here. Now this man here cause the death of 3 people. Right? Mash up a whole heap of life in mash up. Kids included. And you tell me say somebody out there I try get people for donate money for lawyer for this your brother here. Seriously? That's supposed to shut down. That's supposed to shut down. You know? And anybody where I put up the GoFundMe they need to get beaten. Alright? Now, me not advocate violence, but me I say, yo, wrong is wrong. You understand? Wrong is wrong. Anyway, that's it for today. And give me a like and subscribe. I try build my channel. And like me say, this is a channel where I try get people to discuss and talk and try to work things out and come up with ideas, you know, where we can build a country. So I say, we build a country because the government not do it. You understand? So up to we. Up to we. Like the government tonight for themselves. So we have to do what we have to do. Right? We can't make them whole heap of foreigner come take over our country. You know what I say? We have to build our country. So we have to do what we have to do and make sure so that get done. Hold on for our country. Take it back. You know? All them crime and the whole heap of nastiness we are going need to clean up. And me know it not going to be no 100% clean up, but we need to get under some kind of control. Simple as that. Right? So, come on people. Drop a comment, give me a like, let me hear what you say in this, you know, in the comment box. Just keep it constructive. Blessings. So I see it TV.